A questionnaire is a research instrument that consists of a set of questions to collect information from respondents. In our case, we collected information about the current state of understanding social innovation, needs and challenges of the SI ecosystem, and new policy recommendations, instruments, and methods in support of SI. You can either use a uniform questionnaire for all the respondents or prepare a few different ones according to the target group you are trying to get information from. You can use both open and closed questions and make sure the time used to answer them does not go over 10 minutes. We prepared 4 different surveys for 4 different target groups: social innovators, research and academia, policymakers, and business professionals. We are using interviews as second step to surveying target groups that gives us more time with the person and to obtain more specific information. Very important is also to get a sufficient amount of data so that the survey is representative. Surveys are a very flexible instrument. They can be either used to get information about participants, to measure their views and attitudes regarding the intervention, and to collect data outcome. Given the importance of surveys, it is imperative to design all questionnaires with great care and with the help of evaluators. Our aim here is also to get the first recommendations of SI policies, which we will later on test during the workshop with stakeholders and target groups. Make sure to give an option of an open question requiring a very specific call to action. In our case, state one policy recommendation in support of SI. Please make sure to look at supporting materials provided in this section.